Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating topic of the genetics behind transitioning. While transitioning from one gender to another involves various factors, recent research has begun to explore the role genetics might play. The genetics behind transitioning is a complex and emerging field of study. While there is no single transgender gene, researchers are investigating how genetic factors might contribute to gender identity. Some studies suggest that there would be genetic variations in influence of person's experience or of gender identity. These variations may affect brain development and the way individuals experience their gender through the exact mechanism are still being explored. Genetics also interacts with prenatal hormone environments. During fetal development, hormones such as estrogen and testosterone play a crucial role in shaping brain structures and gender identity. Genetic factors might influence how a fetus responds to these hormones, potentially affecting whether an individual identifies with the gender they were assigned at birth or a different gender. Recent genetic studies have identified potential links between the certain genetic markers and gender dysphoria. However, these findings are preliminary and more research is needed to understand how these genetic factors interact with environmental and hormonal influences. It's important to note that genetics is just one piece of much larger puzzle that includes psychological, social and cultural factors. While the role of genetics in transitioning is still being studied, it's clear that there is no simple genetic explanation for gender identity. Instead, genetics, along with the hormonal and environmental factors, contribute to the complex experience of gender identity. Understanding these factors can help us better appreciate the diverse experience of those who transition and support them in their journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for the more content. Thank you for watching. Stay with us. The Psycho Ways, the Art of Mind.